Young ladies and gentlemen, dear followers, welcome to the past. I shall be discussing the history of the past. It all started a long time ago, before the invention of mobile phones and the internet. Wait, this is the past? It's in black and white? I'm wearing a hat? How do I know about the internet and mobile phones? Duh. Let's discuss the past simple. Are you ready? Let's do this. We're going to start this lesson with when to use the past simple tense.
We use the past simple when something happened in the past and is no longer happening now. It's over, done, finito, basta, whatever you want to call it. It's no longer happening now. Let's take a look at an example. I walked to school yesterday. I'm no longer walking. I did it yesterday. As I said, it's over and done with.
Okay, so how do you recognize a past simple sentence? Let's take a look.
In most of the past simple sentences, you will find clues that the action happened in the past. Here, you can see a couple of examples. Yesterday, last week, the Middle Ages, 2 seconds ago. See? These examples show you that it already happened. Look for these clues when you're not sure, and they will help you solve the puzzle.
And last but not least, how to use the past simple.
The past simple is not always simple because it uses two different kinds of verbs. Sorry. You have a regular verb and an irregular verb. An irregular verb wants to be special, so it follows its own rules. Let's take a look. When you have to use a regular verb in the past, you add ed, also known as our good friend Ed, behind the regular verb. In the example sentence, the verb is visit. You add ed and you get she visited him last week. In this sentence, the past simple clue is last week, just so you know. An irregular verb does not use ed, but follows its own rules. You will have to study these, otherwise you will probably make some funny mistakes. Irregular verbs have 3 different versions. With the past simple, we use the second one. That's why I call it row 2. Examples of irregular verbs are to drink, drank, to go, went, to be, was, were, to sleep, slept, and to eat. She ate a hamburger yesterday. Ate is the past version of to eat, and yesterday shows us it happened in the past. The past simple does not care about who is doing the action. It is always the same verb. Phew! Is that why we call it the past simple?
Done. This lesson almost belongs to the past. The end is near. But not before you start doing those exercises on your worksheet. Good luck. Also, don't forget to like, love, laugh, follow, subscribe, and all those things on social media. I really appreciate it. See you soon. Bye.